I have a Hornby OO Gauge Loco I will be doing the test on today to show you how good the traction is on this model. First, I am just attaching one carriage to this Loco to see how good traction it will have with this just one carriage. So I'm just going to film the starting up the train, so you should hopefully see no wheel slip. Just move that back into camera. So as you can see, there is no wheel slip, so that's a 5 out of 5 traction. Now I have added a third coach, an intercity carriage, Mark III by Hornby, so let's see how it does with 2 carriages. Let's look for any wheel slip. Was some there is some wheel slip there, so that probably, I mean it goes relatively fine, so that's probably a 4 out of 5 traction, but it doesn't have that good traction this model, and that's only 2 coaches and I've got another 3 sitting out there to go on. Now I am adding a third coach. This time it is another Hornby class, a Hornby Intercity Intercity Mark III coach. So we should see the traction on this train with this locomotive, this OO locomotive, with 3 coaches now. Let's put it back into camera. Yeah, there is wheel slip there. Yeah, I think the coaches have got stuck a bit on the bend. Right, so I say that's a 2.5 out of 5 traction on 3 coaches most of the time. Okay. Now I am adding a Hornby Pullman carriage, an older Hornby Pullman carriage. So that makes 4 coaches on the train, as you can see. Yeah. So let's just get the camera up. So OO Loco with 4 coaches. Let's have a look at the traction. Okay, there is certainly some wheel slip there. Let me just move it back into camera. Yeah, that's wheel slipping just off camera. Yeah, that's... Sorry if you didn't see that, just put it back on camera again. Let's try and replicate that on camera. So... oh well, but just off camera it did a massive wheel slip, so I'd give that a 1.5 out of 5. Let's just get back on camera. Right. Now let's add the 5th carriage. So the 5th carriage happens to also be a Pullman carriage by Hornby. So let's just look at the full train, 5 coach train. And let's see how well this Loco pulls it. I'll just move it off. Just move it back onto camera. Look, there is an awful lot of wheel slip there, folks. So let's... I just noticed that the one of the carriages had come off the track, so let's do it again. Yeah, I'd give that a... Just move back on camera, I would give that a 1 out of 5 traction. So, with 5 carriages, this Loco had a 1 star out of 5 traction. But, unfortunately, I am not going to do it with 6 coaches, because, well, actually, I might do, but let's add 2 more. Now we have a 6 coach train, and added onto the end, we have some random Hitcho coach that I just found lying around on the layout. So, let's see how that goes. Let's rate the wheel slip. Normally it doesn't wheel slip in this direction, let's just say that. But I'll just get that back on camera. If I can. Well, I can't get it back on camera without pushing it. So, unfortunately, the train failed at carriages. So, overall, I'd say the Hornby OO locos are suitable for pulling, I'd say, 3 coaches. On most layouts, on flat layouts, you should get 3 coaches in it. Should be relatively nice. It'd be a bit wheel slip, but it'd be realistic wheel slip. I mean, because they have Loco wheel slip in real life. So, I'd also say that anyone looking to pull 4 or 5 coaches would probably want to use another Loco as well. They'd want to double up the Locos, so you have 2 040 Locos pulling this train, which is what I do on my layout, as I have 3